Okay, so I'm going to have a look at this factoring question here. This is not chemistry, or even science for that matter. So we have 2mn squared minus 4mn minus 6n squared. Now with this one, I was looking at it initially and I was like, oh, maybe we'll do decomposition, maybe we'll do factoring by using some handy-dandy technique. And honestly, the best way I can think of doing this to get to a simpler answer, a factored answer, is just to pick apart things that are common until it's basically as factors as you can get it. So looking at it right off the bat, let's look at coefficients. We've got 2 here, 4 here, 6 here. Now, those are all divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2, well, let's pull 2 out of the brackets. So let's make some brackets. 2 divided by 2 obviously is 1. We don't write the 1, so we'll have just mn squared here. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we're going to be minus 2 mn. 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, so 3n squared. Close our brackets. Now, let's see, is there anything else common in here? Well, we've got n squared, n, and n squared. So we can pull out an n. So now we have 2n outside of our brackets, and we have mn minus 2m minus 3n. Now, you're gonna kind of look at this and be like, oh, it's a trinomial, that means I can factor, blah, blah, blah. But I've looked at it, and I've looked it up, and I've done all this kind of thing, and I'm like staring at it with my head cocked sideways. And I can't seem to figure any sensible way that you would do this via decomposition or anything, because you don't even have a squared term, right? Basically, all I can do is I can look at these two terms, isolate these two terms, so kind of just imagine a little wall here, look at these two. Those both have m, so let's just write again, 2n, and then let's pull out an m out of there, and then you've got n minus 2 minus 3n. And that's, that's basically as factored as I think it's going to get. There's no squared term. Like, honestly, your teachers would probably be okay with this form. This is just like, oh, Jesus, I moved the thing. This is just like super good. But I can't really see you getting any better than that. Like, it seems like trinomials, you always want to end up with something like 2n minus 1 times, 3m plus 4. Obviously nothing like that for this question, but you want to end up with something nice and handy, but this one just doesn't really give you that. It just ends up kind of being figure out what's common. So yeah, that one kind of sucks. I'd be surprised if they put that on a lot of stuff because it's nothing you really practice a lot. But there it is.